Wait, we just haven't. Okay, I think I accidentally pressed stream or something. I don't know. Anyway, I'm here with my pet cat. Wait, give me a second. I can find him. Oh, here he is. Get out. Come here. Oh, this thing is a beast. I'm here with my pet cat, Ziggy. Hey, say hi, Ziggy. Hey, guys, say hi to Ziggy. Wait, get your... Okay, there he is. He's adorable. He's a good little kitty. Yeah, he says hi. Anyways, he's gonna be popping up in the video sometimes. Anyway, today we're gonna be trying to get one of my Roblox adventures done. I don't think it's gonna work. Okay, until I get Roblox Pocket, I mean not Roblox Pocket, okay, what am I saying now? Minecraft Pocket Edition, which will be very soon. I only have the sucky Roblox and this is not working. Wait, we're trying. This is happening, guys. We aren't gonna make a video. We've gotta have... Oh. We've gotta at least do something. Wait, come. Wait, Ziggy, wait, Ziggy, what are you doing? What are you doing? Wait, get back. I'm sorry, guys. I was looking off and doing something real quick. And, well, my cat comes inside and hello to you. Hello. Hello. He's adorable. He's adorable. Just look. Wait. Oh, God, wait. Look at the two bats. He's adorable. Wait, stop. Don't fight. Earphones, headphones, whatever. Oh, we're trying this. We can't just do this. Okay. Well, you know what this video is? I made my cat. Nobody has ever seen my cat before. I don't know. Oh, my God. This is terrible. Okay. I'm going to go get another game so we can play this without there being too many interruptions. And then I'm going to save up for my Pocket Edition. I don't want to waste some dollars, but I'm going to add some on before I do that, even though I have my own credit card. So, I'll see you in the next video.